Welcome to Mondol Education Channel, online digital education system. Hello dear students and viewers, my followers, you all are welcome to watch my new video relating to narration, the changing method, direct speech to indirect speech and indirect speech to direct speech. Most of the students during this contaminated COVID-19 period are suffering from mental depression, so they have to study at home. As a result, they need the help relating to the subjects. Mostly in English, most of the students are weak in English. They need the help from their respective teachers or tutors. But this period is very crucial for them because they do not have the chance to go to their schools and colleges. So I am going to help them. As a result, I have published a series of videos through my YouTube channel for the students, those who are interested to learn narration, direct speech and indirect speech. Okay, let us discuss the term direct speech. The captain said to the players, will you want to play the game during this pandemic period? We know that it is direct speech and the captain said to the players, verb said to past tense. If the reporting verb is past tense, the reported speech will be correspondent past tense. And interrogative sentence will be assertive in respect of indirect speech. We know that if there is no interrogative pronoun who is, what, where, how, whom, WH, there will be if or whether as conjunction in respect of indirect speech. The captain asked the players if or whether they would want to play the game during that pandemic period. This will be that because we know that the nearest word will be the farthest word. Okay. This, that, now, then, come hither, come here, go there, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, or the following day, yesterday, the previous day, or the day before yesterday, last night, the previous night, etc. Next, direct speech. The woman said to them, let us start our journey. We must know, let us. The woman said to them, let us start our journey. It is proposal. If let refers to proposal, let will be should and the reporting verb will be proposed or suggested. Okay. The woman proposed or suggested them that they should start their journey. That will be the conjunction. Okay. We can use proposed or suggested. 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 Okay. The woman proposed or suggested them that they should start their journey. Our journey will be their journey. Why? Our first person possessive case. First person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. The woman. Woman third person, and our first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb, the woman. Women pronoun they. There will be there because our possessive case they, possessive case there. So there start their journey. Okay. What will be? The woman said to them, let us start our journey. The indirect speech will be the woman proposed or suggested that they should start their journey. Okay. Next up, direct speech. The old man said to his sons, work fast and look forward. It will be, it is imperative sentence. As it is imperative sentence, the reporting verb said to will be changed, told or advised or requested or commanded according to the sense and meaning of the verb. Okay. The old man said to his sons, work fast and look forward. It is imperative sentence. So the old man told or advised his sons to work fast and to look forward. We must know if the sentence is imperative, there will be to as conjunction, infinitive to will be conjunction here, and after to the base form and present form of main verb will be used here. The old man said to will be changed into told or advised according to the sense and meaning of the sentence. So, what will be? The old man said to his sons, work fast and look forward. It will be the old man told or advised his sons to work fast and to look forward. There are two verbs, work and look. There will be two infinitive, to work and to look forward. Okay. Next number 4. With Jafar Ali Khan said to Nawab Shahjaddaulah, please drop fighting now against the English. We must know there is a tragedy in Polashi, Murshidabad. The son of the subcontinent, our subcontinent, came down and sat, being the betray with Nawab Shahjaddaulah by their relatives, their followers, Mir Jafar Ali Khan, Ghosheti Begum, Raidullah, Jagat Seth, etc. It is a tragedy of history. Mir Jafar Ali Khan said to Nawab Shahjaddaulah, please drop fighting now against the English. This was a conspiracy with Nawab Shahjaddaulah, against Nawab Shahjaddaulah. Okay. Mir Jafar Ali Khan said to Nawab Shahjaddaulah, please drop fighting now against the English. It is imperative sentence also because there is please, kindly. So what will be? Reporting verb will be changed into requested because there is please. Mir Jafar Ali Khan requested Nawab Shahjaddaulah to drop fighting against the English. Okay. Number 5, direct speech. The young lady said to them, let me go now. Let me. You must look at this yellow marking. Let us and let me. Let us, it refers to proposal or proposed. Let me, it refers to request. Okay. The young lady said to them, let me go now. This let and this let. Number 2, let, and number 5, let. The question number 2 and question number 5, there are two lets. Let us and let me. Let us and let me. Let us proposal, let me request. So what will be? The young lady told or requested them that she might be allowed to go, then might be allowed to. You must remember that if let us refers to proposal or propose, there will be should, let will be should, and reporting verb will be proposed or suggested. In case of let refers to request, the reporting verb said to will be changed into told or requested, and let will be might be allowed to. Let will be might or might be allowed to. Sometimes it may be might or might be allowed to. We may use might, might. Okay. Now what will be? The young lady said to them, let me go now. It will be the young lady told or requested them that she, within bracket young lady, might or might be allowed to go then. Now will be then. I have already discussed before. If the nearest word in respect of reporting verb is past tense, the reported speech will be correspondent past tense, and the nearest word will be the farthest word. Dear students and viewers, you all are advised to follow my YouTube channel, Khokon Mondol YouTube channel or K Mondol YouTube channel, Digital Classroom, Digital Study. This period is very crucial for them, for the students, so my video will be helpful to them. Needs no telling. I want to advise and request and tell you to subscribe my channel and share my video so that your relatives, classmates and other friends may be benefited by reading, watching and hearing my lecture through my YouTube channel. Okay. I wish you sound health. May God bless you. No more today. Thank you all.